This video will help you to use the Unit Circle app. You can use this to find relationships between angles in trigonometry. You will find the key steps on the screen and I will demonstrate them live. This functionality is only available on the FX83 and 85CW. From the home screen, choose MathBox and then Circle. You can compare the sine, cosine and tangent of two different angles. Make sure that your calculator is set to degrees as shown by the letter D here on the indicator bar at the top of the calculator. We will use the examples in the bottom middle of the screen here. Scroll down and enter angle 1, which is labelled theta 1, which is 30 degrees. Now enter angle 2, which is 60 degrees. Display the circle by choosing Execute with either the Execute key or OK. The calculator shows angle 1 highlighted and a reminder that the angle is 30 degrees. The trigonometric ratios are also given. Let's compare sine 30 degrees with cos 60 degrees. We can see from the display that sine 30 degrees is 1/2. Press either the up or the down scroll key to see the angle of 60 degrees. We can see that cos 60 degrees is also 1/2. This is because in the right angled triangle here on the right, we can see that for 30 degrees, sine opposite over hypotenuse is 1/2 or 1/2, and cos 60 degrees adjacent over hypotenuse is the same 1/2 or 1/2. You might also like to verify that cos 30 degrees is equal to sine 60 degrees. Let us now move to angles between 0 degrees and 360 degrees. Press back to return to the input screen. Scroll down and enter angle 1, 60 degrees, and angle 2, 120 degrees. Display the circle by choosing Execute. We can see that sine 60 degrees is the square root of 3/2, and the sine of 120 degrees is also the square root of 3/2. So sine 60 and sine 120 have the same value. This means that 60 degrees and 120 degrees are equivalent angles for the sine function. We can see this here on the right with the graph of the sine function. There are equivalent angles for cosine and tangent as well, which you can explore. You can also explore further relationships between the trigonometric functions, such as cos 120, which is -1/2, and cos 60, which is +1/2. Why not take some time to explore these relationships?